Welcome to our guide on house design. Ever wondered why some houses feel more comfortable, functional, and pleasing than others? It's all about thoughtful design. Let's explore the key factors to consider when designing a house. Firstly, functionality. A well-designed house should cater to the needs of its inhabitants. Next, aesthetics. Your house should reflect your personal style and taste. Finally, sustainability. Consider using eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs. Now, let's delve into exterior design. The exterior of your house is the first impression people get. From the choice of materials to the color scheme, every detail matters. Moving on to interior design. The layout of your house can greatly affect its functionality and comfort. Color schemes and furniture selection can also enhance the aesthetics of your house. In conclusion, thoughtful house design is about balancing functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability. Remember, a well-designed house is not just about looks, but also about how it makes you feel. Happy designing!